Ever heard of face mites? Sounds like a horror story, but don't panic just yet. These microscopic creatures, called Demodex mites, live on nearly every adult's face. You might have first noticed redness, clogged pores, or tiny bumps and thought it was acne, sensitivity, or even rosacea. But what if it's actually your mite microbiome out of balance? In this video, we'll break down what Demodex face mites are, how they affect your skin, and what you can do to keep them in check without wrecking your barrier. Face mites are tiny microscopic organisms that live inside your hair follicles and sebaceous glands, especially on areas like your cheeks, forehead, nose, chin, and even eyelids. There are two main types that live on human skin: Demodex follicularum, which lives in hair follicles closer to the surface, and Demodex brevis is deeper inside your oil glands. Everyone has them, and that's normal. They help clean up dead skin cells and excess oil. Most people coexist with them without any issues. Problems start when there's an overgrowth called demodicosis. This can happen if your skin is producing too much oil, your immune system is weakened or compromised, you've been overusing steroids or immunosuppressants, or you have rosacea or sensitive skin. In those cases, you might notice persistent redness or flushing texture, or bumps that look like acne but don't respond to typical acne products, itching, irritation or tightness, inflamed eyelids called blepharitis, and eye discomfort. So if your skin feels irritated and you've ruled out acne or allergies, it might be time to consider whether mites are at play. Here's the gross but fascinating part. Face mites don't have an anus, so they store waste inside their bodies until they die. When they die inside your pores, all that waste and bacteria are released into the follicle, which can trigger inflammation and even trigger your immune system. This is especially problematic when there are too many mites or if your skin barrier is already compromised. So how can you manage face mites safely? First, don't panic and definitely don't try to scrub them away. Demodex mites can't be fully eliminated and you don't need to. You just want to bring your skin back into balance. Here are some gentle, proven ways to keep them in check. Number 1, use tea tree oil carefully. Tea tree oil, specifically its active compound 4-terpineal, is proven to reduce Demodex populations. Try diluted versions in cleansers or spot treatments. Avoid applying pure tea tree oil directly as it can irritate your skin. Number 2, try sulfur, azelaic acid, or salicylic acid. Sulfur is anti-inflammatory and anti-parasitic, great for mites. Azelaic acid soothes redness and kills bacteria linked to rosacea and mites. Salicylic acid exfoliates inside pores and reduces oil, starving mites of food. Number 3, keep your skin barrier intact. So avoid over-exfoliating harsh scrubs, alcohol-heavy toners. Use barrier-loving ingredients like ceramides, niacinamide, and panthenol to maintain a strong, resilient skin surface. And finally, wash your pillowcases. Often, Demodex mites crawl out and shed skin and waste on your pillow at night. Gross, we know. Washing your pillowcases 2 to 3 times per week and swapping out pillow covers can reduce reinfestation and irritation. If you suspect severe demodicosis, especially if you have rosacea that's not improving, you experience intense facial or eyelid irritation, you've tried gentle solutions with no success, it's time to see a dermatologist. A dermatologist can prescribe treatments like ivermectin cream, which is anti-parasitic metronidazole gel, or oral antibiotics if there's secondary bacterial infection. Face mites may sound creepy, but they're part of your skin's ecosystem. Managing them doesn't mean wiping them out. It means supporting your barrier, balancing oil, and keeping inflammation down. Let us know in the comments, did you know face mites exist on your skin? And if you want to learn more about skin conditions, check out our other videos here next.